We are proud to bring you Mesh Painter, a powerful Blender add-on that lets you mesh paint, place, and scatter objects directly onto surfaces in real time. If you've ever spent hours manually placing objects one by one, Mesh Painter is about to completely change the way you work. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to get started. So let's dive in. Before we start mesh painting, we need to define which surface we want to paint on. Select your surface in the viewport, then open the Target Setup section and click Set as Target. You will see the object name appear in the field, and from this point, every object you paint will be placed exclusively on that surface. A mesh brush is the object that Mesh Painter will paint onto your surface. Select the object you want to use as your mesh brush in the viewport, open the Brushes section and click Create followed by the object name. Your mesh brush will appear in the brush library with its own settings, giving you full control over your placement. Now that we have our target and mesh brush set up, it is time to start mesh painting. Open the Brush Tool section and click Start Painting. Move your mouse over the target surface and you will see a white circle cursor appear. Hold the left mouse button and drag across the surface to start placing objects. Notice the cursor turns green while you are actively painting. Release the mouse button to finish your stroke and press Escape or right-click to exit paint mode. Let me disable wireframe glow so you can fully see the result. See? So cute and cozy! Sometimes you want to place objects one at a time with precise control. To do this, open the Precision Placer section and click Start Precision Place. A blue crosshair cursor will appear on your surface. Click once to place a single object exactly where the crosshair is. Hold Control while clicking to snap the rotation, or Shift to snap the scale. When you're done, just press Escape or right-click to exit. Stroke editing is a powerful feature in Mesh Painter that lets you tweak your painted objects after placement. No need to repaint. Open the Stroke Editing section and click Select All Painted to select everything you've painted. You'll see two tools. The Randomize Adjust section adds natural variation by adjusting rotation per axis and scale. And just tweak the sliders, click Apply to see the results, and if you don't like it, press Ctrl-Z to undo and try different values. The Uniform Adjust section lets you set all selected objects to the exact same rotation and scale. Mesh Painter gives you two ways to remove painted objects. To delete specific objects, open the Erase Tool section and click Start Erasing. A red circle cursor will appear. Hold the left mouse button and drag over any objects you want to remove, and they'll be deleted instantly. You can also adjust the erase radius to control the size of your erase area. Mesh Painter supports unlimited mesh brushes, allowing you to build a full library of assets to paint with. Each brush has its own independent settings, meaning every mesh brush you create can be configured differently to suit the asset it represents. This gives you the flexibility to have multiple brushes set up and ready to go at any time, each with its own scale, spacing, alignment, and randomization settings, so you can jump between them without having to reconfigure anything. See? What more could you possibly want? Switching between brushes in Mesh Painter is instant. In the brush library, just click the radio button next to the brush you want to activate. The selected brush becomes your active brush immediately, and all painting operations will use it until you switch again. This is especially useful for environment artists working with multiple asset types in a single session, letting you populate an entire scene with different objects quickly and efficiently, without interrupting your workflow. In the real world, nothing is perfectly uniform. Trees grow at different heights, rocks sit at different angles, and no two objects look exactly the same. To bring that same natural feel to your scenes, a Mesh Painter offers powerful variation tools. The Randomize tool gives each object a unique random value controlling rotation on each axis and scale variation, and simply changing the seed produces a completely different result without repainting a single object. Mesh Painter is now available on the Superhive Marketplace. If you've been looking for a faster, more intuitive way to populate your scenes in Blender, this smart and handy little tool is perfect for you. And this is just the beginning. Exciting new features are on the way to take your workflow even further. Stay tuned for what's coming next. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch this walkthrough. If you have any questions, ran into any issues, or have feature suggestions, drop them all in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Keep creating, and peace out.